If you have big eyes and you want to make your eyes look even bigger, here's an eyeshadow that's going to make your eyes pop. This is a look that I've personally found very effective at making my big eyes look even bigger and very baby doll-like. I have made it a bit more lived in than the actual picture. So normally when I talk about large eyes or protruding eyes, I talk about adding shape to the eye, as in making them look a bit more almond-like and making them look wider. But if you're talking about just making them look bigger in general, just making them look very big, protruding, and baby doll-like, well, what we're going to do is we're going to focus on making them look bigger vertically. So from here to here, we want to make the eye look really big, like massive, like this, like you're just staring into somebody's soul. So what we're going to do is we're going to start out first with a base eyeshadow, of course, because why not? I mean, it doesn't hurt. You know, it only takes a second to do this. So we're going to use the Jane Iredale Color Luxe eyeshadow stick in the shade Alabaster because it suits my skin tone best, but you can use any color that's going to be best for you. If you like, you can always use a concealer, you can use a powder shadow, anything you want. But this also kind of creates that really big, wide open effect as well, because it just neutralizes everything, so that way we can paint on the type of shape that we want. And the next thing I want to do is kind of carve out a crease. But I don't want to just follow my natural crease. I actually want to go above my crease, so possibly on my brow bone, and then much farther underneath my eye than you maybe normally would go. I love to go very far underneath my eye because I think it gives me a very big eye. I think it gives me a lot of definition under the eye, and it just creates a whole new socket line for you anyway. So you just create a very large eye socket. It makes your eyes look super big naturally, like they're actually super large in your head. Okay, we're gonna take the MAC Connecting Color Embedded in Burgundy eyeshadow palette. This is what it looks like. I'm going to use this color. This is called Mega Mocha. Loading. Yes, Mega Mocha. So first I'm going to just take a blending brush like this, and I'm going to start up here. Oh yeah, that looks great. Right above my actual crease. That's beautiful. That frees up so much of my lid space. That gives me such a big, wide open eye. Oh yeah, love that. All right, I'm going to take the same exact color again, and I'm just going to go underneath my eye just like this. And just to let you know, I get this comment a lot, I actually do not put any white eyeliner in my waterline. If you can see, that's actually my eye waterline color. So there's nothing underneath in my waterline. But if you are wanting to make your eye look even bigger, adding a white or a cream or a pinky type of waterline eyeliner is always going to be great. All right, so I'm going to go as far down as humanly possible. You don't have to have a deep eye socket like I do to do this. Anybody can do this, but just pulling it down as far as possible. Look at that. Look at how big my eye looks. It looks like I have the biggest eye socket. Very beautiful. And then you can go ahead and just start to blend out. And don't forget to apply the shadow according to your actual face shape. So because my temple is so hollow, like this is the only space that I have to work with on the side of my eye kind of stops right here where my orbital bone is. I cannot pull my eyeshadow out far and make my eye look super wide. If you have a wider temple, definitely pull the eyeshadow out as well. It will help in that act of making your eye look super big, super wide, super bright, and wide open. But for me, I can't do that, so that's why I stick to making my eye look really long vertically like that. But it still works. You can choose any way that you want, but whatever suits your face shape best, definitely try to do that. Okay, I'm going to go back in with the Connecting Color palette, and I'm going to use Hoax. It's a beautiful kind of pinkier shade, but I just like to have something kind of over top of any dark color just to make it look a little bit more blown out so I don't have too much darkness. And I'm going all the way pretty much up to my eyebrow because why not? Why not? While I'm here, I might as well go in with a little Hoax. Okay, I'm going to do it on the bottom as well because it just helps to make it look blown out. And if you're just looking for a really type of natural look, it helps. Beautiful. Stunning. Okay, and then I'm just going to take a shimmer shade. Whatever shimmer shade you have is going to work perfectly fine. Now, I do believe that shimmers make the eye look bigger just naturally because your eyes kind of catch that shimmer and go up. So that, to me, I think it's just an easy cheat code. You know, this still gives you an absolutely beautiful, carved out sort of eye, but I just think that shimmers are always going to be something that's really, really easy to pop on. So if you don't like shimmer, you don't have to. You will still get a very beautiful wide open effect. But if you can stand shimmer, and you even like shimmer like me, it's just an easy way to get to your destination a little bit quicker. A little bit quicker. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to go underneath as well just because I can. I just think it's such a beautiful, easy, and everyday sort of look. You can do this look absolutely every single day. You can make your eyes look super big and bright. And yeah, just have fun with it. And of course, I really think that adding tons of mascara makes your eyes look really big, because somebody who's looking at you, their eyes kind of catch the ends of your lashes, so you automatically look like your eyes are really big and bright. However, I do believe that doing just top mascara is also going to give you a really big bright eye effect. So we'll do this eye with just top mascara. This eye has both, and then you can kind of see which one suits you best. Now, if I'm really trying to make my eye look as big as humanly possible, I will not wear eyeliner. Of course, it doesn't take much for me not to wear eyeliner. You know, it's just really easy not to wear eyeliner. So this is just how you can achieve a really big, bright, wide open look. To be honest with you, I think having no mascara on the bottom really opens up your eye so much. You really get like this huge bottom socket line that just goes on for days. I think it looks absolutely stunning, but you can decide if you like wearing mascara on the bottom. You still look really beautiful, really put together, and your eye still looks hella big. But I don't know, there's something about this eye, huh? It looks so beautiful. If you try this look, please let me know. If you have small eyes and you try this look to make your eyes look bigger, definitely let me know. If you have big eyes and your eyes just look extra huge, then yes, please let me know. I really hope that you enjoyed this look. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Love you. Bye.